Okay, Mr. Parks.
Yes, ma'am.
Looks like you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. Today's courtroom clash isn't about who's the better parent. It's about strategy, money, and a shocking career move. Mr. Parks walks in saying his ex-wife went from a $70,000 corporate job to a $30,000 cashier job just as child support was being recalculated. The judge immediately senses a financial chess game. Is this about stress or about dodging a support order? Stay tuned as Judge Bundy begins peeling back every excuse to expose what's really going on.
I just found out my wife just left her corporate job for a cashier job. I don't know why. Maybe it's because like she wants to get out of the payments of what she's doing.
Payments of what?
Child support, ma'am. Okay. We have a child together that we had in our marriage, and it's like, and all of a sudden I just found out just recently that she left her corporate job, $1 job. How can you do this to us? How can you
Excuse me, sir. Sir, do not address her. Address me.
Yes, ma'am. I do apologize.
I mean, obviously she can't help your situation.
Yes.
That's why you're here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so continue.
I don't know. It's just like when I found out, it's just like I was just shocked. I didn't know like how else to express it, but
Here the ex-wife openly admits she intentionally left her $70,000 job even though she has a master's degree. On paper, that cuts her income by more than half. But child support law doesn't just look at your current paycheck. It also considers your earning potential. In Urdu English, Agar Aap John Buj Kar Kam Paisa Kamade Ho, Court Furby Purani earning se calculation Kar Sakta High. This is why the judge keeps steering the questions back to numbers, not stress stories. What do you think? Real burnout or a planned escape from payments?
Is that correct,
yes,
sir?
ma'am.
So, you have all this money in saving. Let's talk about it.
Okay. Let's
How much did you make at your last job?
I annually $70,000.
$70,000, okay. And that's your only job?
It was my only job. Now I work at a convenience store.
Doing
Head
what?
clerk.
Doing what?
Head clerk.
Head clerk. Okay, how much are you making now?
About $30,000 a year.
$30,000. And are you? What type of education do you have?
I have my master's.
You have a master's degree.
Again, the stresses of the divorce inhibited me from doing my job.
Okay, don't say that again. You already said that once, and we moved on from that. So, you're now making $30,000 a year, and you think that I should base child support on $30,000 instead of the $70,000 that you intentionally stop working at?
Well, that is my annual income now, $30,000.
That's your annual income now. When did you start working at your corporate job?
A year ago.
A year ago. How long were you there?
I was there for about 8 years.
8 years with the master's degree.
Notice how the judge leans forward and interrupts. Don't say that again. This isn't just attitude, it's a legal cue. Judges expect facts, not repeated emotional reasons. She's establishing a record to show the income drop was voluntary. When she drills the qualifications, high school diploma versus master's degree, she's building a contrast for imputed income. In simple terms, court ki rahi high AAP, capable ho zyada kamani k, tafur kam paisa dikana kam nahi karega. Do you think the judge is being too strict or just holding her accountable?
At a head clerk position, what's the qualification to work at that job? It's such as, do you need a degree?
You just need a high school diploma.
High school diploma,
yes,
and you have a master's degree. I'm not about to play with you. I'm not about to play with you. $70,000 a year. You said you covered a child on health insurance. How much is that?
$300 a month.
$300 a month. Ma'am, I'm going to make you pay child support. You came, obviously, in this courtroom to waste my time.
I have a question. How come I have to get a corporate job? How come he can't get a corporate job?
He can get a job, but the child lives with him, right?
Well, yes, and I think the reason why the child is even with him to begin with is because of, well, this is a different court. Never mind, like you said.
Okay, thank you. So, moving right along, $70,000 a month.
When Judge Bundy says, "I'm not about to play with you," that's the moment the courtroom energy flips. The legal strategy of claiming stress and savings collapses. The judge's subtext: you can't voluntarily downgrade your job and expect lower obligations. This is called imputed income, basically treating you as if you still earn what you're capable of earning. In Urdu English, court samaj gaye ya intentional high or abwo aapko usi income p judge karegi. What do you think? A fair move or financial punishment?
A year, excuse me. I put your
I'm
gross
not making
at-
$70,000 a month anymore. I'm making $30,000 a year now.
You're making $30,000 a year now, but ma'am, you intentionally work at a job that pays you less, and you think that you're going to come in this courtroom and get me to order that you pay a less amount when you're making the $70,000 with a master's degree? You made that up.
Ma'am, I don't know. Emotional distress is intentional.
Excuse me. Emotional distress. I need you to go see a doctor. Okay, so your gross is $5,833.33. Based on that $70,000, I'm going to give you a credit for the health insurance, okay? The $300 that you stated brings your net to $4,497.98. How many children?
One.
One child, okay. 20%. $899.60 is going to.
Here the judge does the math live. Gross income $5,833. Credit for $300 health insurance. Net $4,497. 20% for one child equals $899.60 per month. She's showing transparency, so no one can say the number was pulled out of thin air. This is a classic support court moment. The shock on the defendant's face when they realize the court won't buy their new paycheck. In Urdu English, court any clearly dikaya formula or amount, a bacha nahi hai excuse. Was this a reality check or a trap sprung too late?
Be your monthly child support obligation that you're going to pay each month to this man. You looking confused, and I don't understand why you looking.
I'm not
like
looking
that.
confused. You said what you're saying, and I'm okay. I'm taking it all in.
Oh, okay. Congratulations.
Thank
now,
you.
do you have anything further?
No, ma'am.
That's it?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it from you? Okay, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
All right, thanks so much.
You're welcome.
And that's it. Judge Bundy locks in $899 a month despite the job downgrade, sending a clear message. Child support follows earning capacity, not career choices. The lesson here is universal. AAP apni job change kar sokt ho, like an apni fars se nahi bag sokt. It's a dramatic finish to a financial chess match that backfired. If this case shocked you like it did us, don't forget to like, drop your thoughts below, and subscribe for more explosive courtroom drama breakdowns.